Points of Entry is designed to help our students transition from pre-release at the county jail to post-release services in the community. As parts of Points of Entry, my position was created, a transition specialist that helps to connect with our 50 pilot cohort members. And during that process in Points of Entry, I connect with these individuals while they're in custody. We develop an individual action plan for those individuals where I collect contact information, identify their goals, identify their barriers, identify some of the work that they've done in the past, whether it's education or employment. It's also a tool that we share with all the community partners that I've mentioned. It's shared with our job coaches at the Career Center. It's shared with our counselors at the community college. It's shared with our student advisor, Elk Grove Adult Ed, along with a lot of our stakeholders in the community. Were actually sent out to Washington, D.C. To work on the implementation plan for the project. And I think a lot of the success of the program came from that partnership and the development of those the collaboration that's really occurred from the beginning. Students go through interviews with myself, they sign agreement forms that demonstrate their commitment to the program. Everybody wants to be involved. They understand that it's a privilege to be involved in this program, and they've been very willing to work with me. They've been incredibly candid during the interview process, during developing their action plans as far as identifying what their needs are, what some of the challenges have been, and that really has enabled me to develop a strong relationship with them.
I think one of the best successes that we've had is the collaboration that we've had with our partners, with the Sheriff's Department and the community colleges, adult education, Kratos and the Open Society Foundation, and the funding of this project, with the Sacramento Employment and Training Agency and our local career centers. It has been an absolute 100% commitment on all of their parts. Some of the successes that we've found have been articulations with the community college. So students, while they're incarcerated, can earn college credit, 3 credits for the welding program and 3.5 for the horticulture program. And then the community college outreach specialists will come in and work with students to complete the application process while they're still incarcerated, and help them fill out financial aid. The systems that we've put into place for the Points of Entry, we're hoping to make accessible to all students. One of the things that we did was expand, for the teachers, was expand on our GED programs. We went from a 3-day program to a 5-day program. We went from GED testing maybe 2 times a month to testing every week. The successes that we've seen in the GED program is that we've doubled our rate of GED completions this year alone, and we're very excited tomorrow evening to go back and participate in the graduation. What we've found is that our students that are in the Points of Entry project and taking advantage of the services that our transition specialists and job coaches and teachers are offering them, they are scoring double the rate of those that are not in the program. So we know we're doing something right. And now it's looking at how can we work with our partners to make it systematic and make sure that everybody's able to benefit from this program. The Points of Entry has become a regionally known program. It's become a household name, and I don't see it going away at all. I hope to continue building articulations with the college. I know that we're going to retain a transition specialist because that is a key factor in making sure that students have individualized attention as they're trying to transition from a point of incarceration to services on the outside. I hope that we can continue to build stronger support services and connections, possibly mentorships for the students as they're exiting the programs, but it's just a matter of, we're 6 months into it at this point. I'm very excited about what the future might hold.